UXPin is a powerful design and prototyping tool that allows teams to collaborate on creating user experiences for web and mobile applications. Here's how you can effectively use UXPin. Getting started with UXPin. Create an account. Sign up for a UXPin account to access the platform's features. Choose a project. Start a new project or use existing templates to begin your design process. Designing in UXPin. User interface elements. Use pre-built UI elements like buttons, forms, icons, and layouts to create designs efficiently. Wireframes and prototypes. Quickly create wireframes to map out the structure and flow of the application or website. Transition these into interactive prototypes for user testing. Collaborative design. Invite team members and clients to collaborate on designs in real time, making edits and leaving comments directly on the designs. Prototyping. Interactive prototypes. Add interactions and animations to designs to create interactive prototypes. Define user flows with links between screens for testing navigation and usability. Share prototypes. Share prototypes with stakeholders by generating links or embedding them into web pages for easy access. Version control. Track changes. Utilize version control to view design history and track edits over time. Collaboration. Collaborate seamlessly with team members by assigning tasks, gathering feedback, and reviewing changes. Handoff and development. Developer handoff. Easily export designs and specifications to development teams for implementation. Code generation. Generate code snippets directly from designs, ensuring a smooth transition to the development phase. Integrations and workflow. Integrate with tools. Connect UXPin with other tools like Slack, Jira, or Trello for a more streamlined workflow. Testing and iteration. Conduct usability testing and iterate on designs to create user-centered products.